sort of made it to Samut Nakhon, and the sun is blazing. And in Chiang Mai I was driving with COVID. No, dropped my ice cream. Hey, deja vu. I think I've been here before. This is like everything I'm doing, the life I'm living is just like bucket list. So I'm thinking of pushing all the way to Uttaradit or Uttaradit or what it's called. I'm currently in Lampang. It's like 2 hours from here, I think. So I think I'm gonna push all the way. But you can never count on Google Maps. If it says 2 hours, it's probably true. Here's the hotel for the night. I found something. I arrived to Uttaradit, so I just took the first best hotel I could find. 500 baht. It's okay price. When I came here, I saw it was cheaper to just pay in directly here, but it doesn't matter. I booked it online. On my way here, I saw a huge market of some sort with like Ferris wheels and everything. Usually it's a really good place to eat, and I need to eat. I'm so hungry, but it looked really great. It looked fun, you know, like one of the biggest one I've seen actually. Let's just put our bags in, clean up a little bit, and go to the market. Clean bathroom, looks nice. Looks nice, 500 baht. TV, fridge. See if there's anything in the fridge. Waters. I already checked the bed. Rock hard. Just like me. Bow! And one thing I also love is plants. I always had like a botanical garden at my house. So that's one of my dreams here in Thailand, to have my own garden and grow some tropical plants and fruits, and there's beds here, so the mattresses and stuff. Second-hand clothes. That's a huge market. I can't even see the ending or the beginning of it. But what I need is food, so it's a funny contraction. Mashing up whatever they're selling. The mussels. This market reminds me of the one in the university area in Bangkok. We also have once or twice a year, like a huge market. Looks exactly like this. I'll make you some Thai coconut pancakes. They're amazing. They're really good. Close what I ordered, but looks nice. Kapul makap. I think it's some sort of fish balls or something with some spicy curry sauce. And it looks like a duck egg. With some mustard greens and stuff. It's nice. Let's try it out. Spicy. Really spicy. Doesn't taste fish. Tastes like the pork balls. I'm not sure if I supposed to have like mustard green on it, but let's try. A little bit of this mustard green. Dress it up with a little bit of fish sauce. That was really good, man. That's new. I haven't seen this anywhere. This looks like the Eastern sausage, but mini versions. Different fillings. Maybe I should get a chicken takeaway for later. It is way too much stuff going on here, and I'm too hungry for it. On and on and on and on and on. Keeps repeating itself. Kind of the same food and the same stuff everywhere. But nothing interesting, nothing new that I haven't tasted before. So I'll just keep walking, see if I can find something interesting.
Đi sông đất đi em cho nó chơi. Đi sông đất đi.
เนี่ยขึ้นของรางวัลด้านในเลยพี่เสื้อพี่แต่เสื้อสีเขียวอ่ะพี่ขาขึ้นของรางวัลด้วยพี่ขาแต่แจกตัวใหญ่ครับแจกตัวใหญ่พร้อม
It was a
ยัง
happy one.
พนักงานคอยตังเรียบร้อยยัง
Probably winning in bingo.
เชิญครับเชิญเข้าด้านในเลยครับแจก
Some game going on. Probably some local kids league or something. I wonder what this market is all about. I think maybe it's like a motor expo. I've seen these markets a lot, but it's always like in conjunction with like holiday or some Buddha Day or something like that. This is probably the reason for this. It's like a car show, big car show on this side. N.A.D.A. We used to ride this in we were kids in Chile, in South America. Some fresh tamarind. It's sour as hell.
ทางเดินได้เนาะแล้วก็บนเวทีได้เลย
ถ้าไม่สามารถไปยืนด้านหน้าได้บทนะสามารถยืนด้านหลังได้นะคะค่ะ
Ooh, I found the cow soy. But I'm not buying it. It looked pretty watery, the coconut, the curry sauce. The fatigue just hit me hard. I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Drop by 7-Eleven as usual, get something to eat, and then just head back to the hotel. I'm way too tired for this. I have no idea what they're making, but it smells amazing. Today was a really long drive, but I wanted to get some miles done so I can arrive to Bangkok in time. I have a gig on Friday, so I need to be back by then. The air around here is really thick in from the fires. So it's all the way here. It was getting heavier and heavier the closer we were coming to Uttaradit. No, where am I? Uttaradit. That's it, Uttaradit, whatever. The closer we were coming to Uttaradit, it was getting heavier and heavier. It was like really like my clothes. I bought another hoodie in Chiang Mai because it was so cold, so I wear like double hoodies when I'm driving, especially when it gets colder in the evenings. And it's like just smell like fire, like forest fire all over. Amigos y amiguitas, that's it for me today. So, see you tomorrow, amigos.
Coffee.
Wow, there is a pool also. I had no clue. Coming into these rice fields, I remember that I have read about the Thai people picking the snails that they eat in places like this. Also, I read about the many cobras that are supposed to live around here. But, it's so low grass that I probably see them, so I wasn't worried. Either all these PTT stations look the same, or I've been here before. I don't know, it looks exactly the same. I'm not sure. And oh, by the way, it's getting hotter by the minute. Made it to Samut Nakhon, and the sun is blazing. I'm just I think I'm just like a block from where I was last time, but yeah, it's okay hotel. The previous hotel in this area was 500 baht, I think, or 400 baht, but it was a rock hard bed, and this also has a rock hard bed, but it's only 300 baht, so can go wrong with that. It's currently, let's see, 5 o'clock, 5 minutes to 5, so I made a good time, man. I think I made it here like in 4 hours, so it was actually faster than Google Maps said for once. Google Maps said it would take at least 4 hours and 40 minutes. So let's go eat. I'm starving. And then the gym. I'll probably take the same gym as before. I'm gonna try to find another one because the gym I went to is just in the back here, but it was pretty expensive and it wasn't the greatest. Yeah, like the basic stuff, but yeah, there probably is a better one. It's really hot here. No more cold. I needed ice cream. It was really hot. And in Chiang Mai, I was driving with two. No, dropped my ice cream. I managed to drop my ice cream, and I got myself a new one. So, what I was saying, it's really hot here. had to take off my hoodie when I was driving here. In Chiang Mai I was driving with 2 hoodies on and I was still freezing. It's good to be back in the sunshine. So today's gym is called Techno Gym. This is in Samut Nakhon. They have like huge space with everything actually. It's like tennis and ping pong and techno gym and football and badminton, like everything. Really good. Open until 12 o'clock at night, 12 a.m. Yeah, huge place. Even pool tables. Cool place. I like it. Let's see how the gym is. Okay, so I got this card. Now I understand what the card is for. It's like a security pass thing. Pretty basic, but it has the stuff I need. That was wrong. We have more upstairs. Actually, a pretty good gym. The leg stuff they had is really good. So I just met the owner out here
สวัสดีครับ
of the gym, and he was telling me all about this gym and asking how we.
Techno gym.
Yeah, it's really good. I see you have like the UFC machines and really good.
Yes.
And the techno machines is also good, but the techno machine is the yellow one, I think, right?
Yes.
The brand,
But
yeah.
that one is a brand name
Yeah.
from Italy.
Yeah,
Yeah. But we because of in Nakhon Sawan,
yeah,
this is a college.
yeah.
The name is Techno. It's
Okay.
open about 40 years ago,
Okay, okay.
and everything is we call Techno.
Yeah, okay.
Nakhon Sawan people call me, call us
Yeah.
Techno, and we open in the hotel.
Yeah,
The name is Techno Inn.
okay.
We open the company, sell some the electronic car in the internal building.
Okay.
We call Techno EV, and we open the complex sport complex.
Yeah,
We call Techno Gym.
but
Not the same Techno Gym.
yeah,
That one.
but
That,
the branding.
The brand that one is very good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
But it's a really good gym. I see there's like everything here. You know,
We
it's,
have many sports.
badminton and everything.
Table tennis, badminton, futsal, basketball, snooker, fitness,
Yeah,
taekwondo.
taekwondo
Many,
also.
many,
Oh,
many,
nice.
many.
Cool. I enjoyed the training here. It was
Thank
a good session.
Yeah, thank you.
A little bit dark, you can't see, but
Yes. Thank you.
thank you. And if you come here to Samut Nakhon, just go to this place. It's called Techno Gym. Good morning, little friend. It's a beautiful day for a ride back to Bangkok. Today is gonna be the last push. Probably gonna be around like 4 hours with a little bit stops and stuff. Maybe I take some peeks of the nature here, a waterfall or whatever, if I can find something on the way. But yeah. Let's keep on trucking. Hey, deja vu. I think I've been here before. It's a fact. All PTT stations look the same. Okay, refuel, full tank of gas. Let's roll. I'm so glad to come home. Even though, you know, having road trips is really fun, nothing beats coming home. Home, sweet home. Oh my God. Unpack. My God, my babies, they're okay. They look okay, all of them. It's so nice being home, man. Oh my God, that was a long trip. And I'm so happy to be home. I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. But I need to get the gym done. And I have a gig tonight, so I need to start fixing the music for tonight. There's gonna be a big party with some really good artists. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. This is me the next hours, editing the stuff, and yeah, that's all for me, amigos. That was the Chiang Mai trip concluded, and we end the stuff here. Hope you had as much fun as I had. Ciao, amigos. This is my view from my balcony, and I love this city, and I am so grateful to be here. This is like everything I'm doing, the life I'm living is just like a bucket list, something that I have dreamed of many years.